today we're doing stir fry and it's vegetarian. So the ingredients you need: 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and I'm going to show you what I prepared beforehand. So you need half an onion, either white or red, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of garlic, 1 courgette cut lengthways, 2 carrots cut lengthways, and we've also got some bok choy, just a few leaves. But it's obviously, it's up to you how much you use. It's just an idea. So first of all, I have already started toasting my sesame seeds, and we're going to add some oil to our pan. We're going to add the ginger, the garlic, and the onions first. All right. I'll come back to you when it's all nice and ready. We've been frying it for about 3 minutes. We're going to add our carrots. And our courgettes as well. Put it all in. We're going to leave this for later. Bok Choi. Okay, so the vegetables are getting nice and soft. And we're going to add our leaves here. I'm going to add some lemon. You can also add some apple cider vinegar as well if you like. So just 1 tablespoon is fine. We're going to start adding the sauces. So you can add some oyster sauce and some soy sauce. Ideally, you can. So 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to add the eggs. We're going to make some space in the pan and just pour the eggs in. There we go, put them in. Do the other one. You could stir them with some chopsticks. Egg is ready. We're going to put it all together. And we're going to add the noodles now. Now, because this meal is for 2 people, I'm just going to take a nice handful of noodles and another one, and that should be enough for 2 people. I'll keep the rest for another day. Again, you can use your chopsticks and just put it all together. Our food is ready, and we're just going to top it up with some sesame seeds. Okay? So you can do this now, or you can do it when you serve it up. And I'm going to leave some for later.